welcome back to another video. For those of you that do not know me, my name is JIGSAW, you guys. Welcome back. Yeah, today we're gonna be doing a saw look, so just stay tuned for that. So you always want to prime, you guys, your face if you're gonna be using paints or makeup. I really love this touch of primer for like everything, you guys. For my makeup, even for paints, like the paints go on really smooth. Your face will look flawless, you guys. Like in pictures, after you take a picture, oh my god, I love it. I love this primer ever. It's actually this Mayron makeup palette. It's a giant palette, you guys, and it's a little bit dirty, but it's okay because of course I use it a lot. But yeah, we're gonna be using I think that girl has white. I think she like mixed white and gray, and then she has like little specks of black. That way I don't want to do like white, which I know the Saw little character or whatever, he is really white. So I think I might just mix the white and the gray a little bit just to get that like kind of like gray but more white than gray color, you know what I mean? Just stay tuned, you guys. I don't know, I'm so nervous. Just kidding. But let me see what I'm going to be doing, and yeah, stay tuned. So since these are water activated, you guys, I do have this little thing from Dollar Tree that I got. I am gonna put water, and then I am gonna use these little sponges and of course a brush. So let's do that. So I'm gonna mix gray and white, you guys. So I'm gonna put a little bit of gray and white. This looks like a mask. Like if I'm doing a mask, you guys. Okay, but just trust the process, okay? Oh, now I look like the Tin Man. Just gonna add a little bit of more white, you guys. I'm so nervous, but I know I can do it. So we're just gonna keep going. Trust the process, trust the process. Ew, my teeth look yellow. Worry about my ears, you guys, because I'm gonna wear a wig. So the ears don't even show whenever I wear like the wigs, because like the curls hide the ears. So I'm not too worried about the ears. I'm gonna be using this Hola Chola from ColourPop. My phone turned off, but I'm using this palette right here. using this Kat Von D anti-precision pencil, and it's in the color Trooper Black. I'm gonna go in the waterline. Then I'm gonna use this LA Girl Neon lip liner, but I use them as eyeliners, you guys. I don't really use them as lip liner. Perfecto. So I'm gonna do the little ¿cómo se llaman? I don't know the name of them. I'm gonna do that using this red lip liner. This is gonna make it look more like that doll. I know she didn't do this on the actual picture, but I want to do it on me. I'm gonna contour a little bit on my nose. I'm gonna get that same shade that I was using. I don't even know if I showed you guys. I'm all over the place right now. But this is the gray shade that I'm gonna be using, and then a little bit of black. So the brows, you guys, the one that I'm trying to copy, the girl that I'm trying to copy, she just has like little black streaks. So that's what I am going to do. I'm going to be using my lashes. I'm going to be using these from the Grinch collection. How pretty the lashes are, you guys. The lashes make everything so much better. I'm going to be using this Too Faced Cinnamon liquid lipstick, Cinnamon Bear. I'm just going to line my lips with it. Let me just see the picture real quick. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna get one of these, I don't know what these are called, but it's just a little sponge. And I'm gonna dip it in the black, and then I'm gonna go like this. So I did put the shirt on from the costume and the wig. So I am gonna be painting my neck and a little bit of my chest so I can put this little bow. we are basically done, you guys. So this is the finished look. But yeah, make sure you guys follow me on Facebook. That's where I post all my pictures. I loved it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did like it, you guys. And if you like videos like these, let me know down in the comments. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.